Today's November 29, 2024. This one I got a call from a guy. He's got a leaking water pipe in the wall behind a vanity. And he wants to change it from copper to PEX. I do have PEX in the truck, so I'll have to go by there and see what's going on with it. See if it's doable or change it. The only thing with PEX is sometimes if the guys got mice, they could chew through the PEX. So, I'm not a big fan of the PEX for that reason. You know, if you got critters or rodents, they'll chew through that shit. Copper pipe, not so much. But whatever. I'll try to get you some shots when I can over there as I go. Alright, so we got the water off. We can cut this thing in. So it was leaking right there.
And somehow I tried the top clamp, right? I tried a little clamp, didn't work, and somehow the double clamp.
So the water's off.
Yeah, I'll double check.
We got it draining downstairs, so it can't be leaking up here. I'm gonna make a couple of cuts here and we'll come wrap around and then out.
Yeah, it's off.
It's off. The hose is off outside too?
Some stuff comes out. That's a good sign.
Yeah, sure.
I like that tool you got there.
Oh yeah, that's my best tool ever.
Oh my god, that's nice.
A grinder?
Yeah.
Shit, yeah. Well, you got clamps on both sides.
Yeah, I had to fucking, the one clamp.
That's what they call Jed Clamp It.
Yeah, I fucking put a clamp on it.
Jed Clamp It. Yeah.
I like to find a way, because you don't do, that guy.
That's that worst bullshit.
Yeah. No, what happened was, I seen the guy. It's kind of like plumbing cheat. It's kind of like cheating plumbing.
What is it?
It's like they're cheating. They don't do any soldering. They just take that tool and clamp it down. Fucking.
Yeah. Yeah, whatever.
But
I mean, that's all. I'm kind of old school. I like to keep shit old. And
I got to get rid of this copper though eventually, you know, because the hot water.
Yeah, but like I said, I don't do worst bowl.
I know. But I got like 90% of the copper out of the house. I was getting pinhole leaks left and right, yeah?
Yeah, like I said, we'll do this for now to get your
for
eye.
now.
And,
That's good. That clamp only lasts so long, you know?
Are you retired now?
Yeah, well, I had.
Kind of young to be retired.
Oh, I got in the union when I was 21 years old.
Okay.
So.
I was in the pipe fitter, plumbers and pipe fitters union. I got out and started my own thing.
Oh yeah. Well, you know how that goes. You travel a lot. You're all like. When I got out of high school, I was working down the Westport Harbor for a guy. I never left the harbor, right? Then all of a sudden, he was going through a divorce. And I started doing jobs on my own, and I came across an old friend. I don't know if you remember him, David Darris. He was, I think he was in the shop class. So, and he says, "Hey, Gary DaCosta is a business manager down in the union." So I haven't seen him. He went to Diamond Vote. I didn't see the guy since 8th grade. I go down the hall. I could not believe it. He's walking out. I recognized him.
You knew him?
Yeah. So I went in, he asked me gave me like a 10-question quiz, how to square a wall or a bunch of crap, you know. And next thing I know, the guy was in the union. You know, it was kind of by accident.
Oh shit.
Look at that. It worked out okay, you know.
It worked out good.
But I traveled everywhere. I was in, you know what I mean? It was just like,
Yeah, I know the deal with the union shit.
You know, it was like I got hooked up with a good guy
3 inches.
later in my career.
Yeah.
And he was from Boston, but he did a lot of work. He did all like state buildings. It was just a father and son. And then I hooked up with him for like my last 7 years. And the guy was the best guy I ever worked for.
Really?
Yeah, he treated me so good. He says, hey, we get this done today, I'll pay you for the day. You know, like shit like that. You know, he says, I know I don't want to see you get stuck in traffic, you know?
Oh, yeah, the Boston shit is terrible, isn't it?
Yeah, so he knew. And he says, you start early. He says, you eat your lunch, just eat quick, eat your lunch, and then we'll get right back to work and you get out early. So a lot of times by 1 o'clock I was done, you know?
Oh, and he paid for the whole day?
Yeah.
As long as you get the work done.
Yeah. So he really helped. He was, like I said, the nicest. All the other guys I worked for.
And you were a twin, weren't you?
Yeah.
Your brother still around?
He's in the next room over there.
Oh, no shit. What's he, a mutant? Huh?
He's a hermit.
He don't say much?
No. Actually,
A mutant.
he's on some of the people we graduated with, they go online once a week since the reunion, and they do like a group thing, you know. So I don't know if he's doing that right now or what, but
He's looking for Bridezilla.
yeah, no,
No, looking for Bridezilla.
Bridezilla.
You never heard of that?
Yeah, I know.
Fucking Bridezilla. I was hanging out with her last night. Yeah, Bridezilla.
You said you had your girlfriend slept over.
Yeah, no, this is another Bridezilla. Some other guy that's family married her.
Oh yeah.
They call her Bridezilla.
Oh okay. All right. Hey, you know the Holy Ghost Club on Sodom Road?
What is it?
The Holy Ghost Club on Sodom Road?
What about it?
Well, I ran into this guy, and he tells me, he goes, you go there, I don't know if it's a Friday or Saturday night, he goes, all the girls just want to fuck. He says, they'll come right up to you. Hey, let's go fuck, you know?
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna stay away from them girls. Oh shit.
He says, I never seen anything like it. And the guy, he told me this, he goes, you know, I'm not a good looking guy. When I go in there, I hook up every time I go in there.
Oh really?
Yeah.
The unit's gonna fall off.
Yeah.
Yeah. Watch that shit.
Yeah, it's not like it used to be, huh? Yeah.
No.
Actually, I was supposed to get married a long time ago, and then that didn't work out. And then next thing you know, fucking like 2 years ago, she contacts me, right? And so I'd like to get back together. I said, oh, no, we had our shot. You know what I mean?
You want to get back together?
Yeah, after she disappeared for like 10 years.
Well, she missed you.
Yeah, so I was like, nah, I'll stay single at this point. I mean, we're going to be 60, you know what I mean? It's
Yeah.
like, who gives a fuck?
Gotta get on that Lipitor, and then after 6 months later, you lose your unit.
Oh, what happens?
It goes fucking. Your unit goes south.
Oh, from cholesterol?
Well, you need cholesterol to make testosterone.
Yes.
So all these guys that go to the doctors, and the doctors say, "Oh, you got to go on the Lipitor. You know, lower your cholesterol because it's high because you got heart disease." So they go on Lipitor.
Yeah.
6 months later, they lose their unit.
You know what they call that?
What?
My friend has a name.
ED?
He goes jellycock.
So they call it.
Because he's on some prescription.
Yeah. He loses his unit. Then
And
it's
he goes, I got jellycock, Pete.
Yeah, it's because he's on that Lipitor shit.
So,
You fry your brain and your penis. Yeah.
he says, but I got a full head of hair though, because it makes you hit. It's some type of drug. I can't think of the name of it, but it's good for something. But it actually makes your freaking hair grow. You know? He says, look at me. I got a full head of hair. You know?
But he lost his unit and went south.
Yeah, it's good.
He's a snowbird now. Huh? Fucking guy.
He's a funny guy. Once he gets going, this guy, oh my God, he'll get you laughing.
The flip.
I'll tell you that.
Put you on the cholesterol lowering drugs, you lose your flipping unit.
Luckily, now I'm not on any medications, so far so good, you know.
All right, so that's good. We can solder that up, and then we could do something on the other side.
Yeah.
What about UMass?
Hey, that's where my brother lives. I got an older brother.
I've been there since I've been 18. I bought my house at 18.
No kidding.
I'm still there. 42 years later.
How could you get a house at 18 years old? How'd you?
When I was young, I had paper routes and
Come on.
I made all. I worked. My father told me when I was like 10. He said, "Listen, you want to get a house when you get older. Start working now and save your money. So when you become 18, you can get a house." So that's what I did.
No kidding.
So the time I was 17, I had like 25,000 saved.
Wow, you saved that much money?
Yeah, going on paper routes and shit and working and
Yeah.
so by the time I was, I was living at home.
Plumbing? Were you doing
Huh?
plumbing?
No, not until I was 19.
Yeah.
So I had the house before I bought the house before I even got into the plumbing. Pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Try that now, you can't do it.
My brother was like that. He worked for the Taunton Municipal Power Plant.
Yeah.
Yeah. And he was like in the top 8 to 100 every fucking year, you know what I mean? So he some guy in the plant, he was losing a house with a bank or something, so he hooked my brother up. I think he got it for like $100 grand back in the day.
Now your brother married? So,
No,
oh yeah, he's living in he's in another room.
but now he was renting his house out for a while, but there's nobody in it right now.
All right, we just got to put a valve on the other side and
Yeah,
this will be good.
I'm thinking about just putting a piece of plywood back there now, and
Yeah, just put a piece of something in case you're gonna get back here again.
yeah, because it was kind of a hassle with the sheetrock.
Well, I wanted to do it. If I would have went behind it, it would have been harder because I would have burnt everything, right? So let's not do that.
Yeah.
Scotching. Cut it back so it's not as long as the other one. Get a towel down so I don't run on the floor. Crusty. Oh, crusty. I'm not a big fan of these, I'll turn the water back on, see if we get any leaks. Hope not. Leave that open. Put this off. We're gonna turn the water on. Shut the water off here. He's shutting it off out there, and we're gonna go turn it on in the basement. Hopefully, I got no leaks. I got it on here too. Shut this fucker off. Shut this off.
Does it matter?
We'll shut this off. What is it?
When you shut those valves off over there, does it matter which one you shut off first?
This?
No, the ones under the cellar.
Fucking shut them all off. None of them are holding. Right?
Yeah.
None of them are holding.
Yeah. Well, one of them must have hold because the water stopped.
Yeah, I'll show you which one.
The main one coming in?
Yeah, the main one coming in.
Alright. It just takes a while.
Yeah, it definitely shut off. I'm gonna turn this one on. And then this one on. And hopefully we got no leaks upstairs. No plastic. Where's bullshit from hell? All this shit. Especially when it's a shit show like this. I always take pictures if it's a shit show. Right?
Yeah. It wasn't that bad?
Haha!
Was it that bad?
With no prom queen. Yeah, come to find out, I went to school with that guy, what, 40? I don't know, must have been 45 years ago. When I was in high school. Long time. Thought he looked familiar. I went to school with that guy. Crazy. Small world.